Hi guys, this is the Java series part 53. Now let's discuss about the command line arguments. What is command line argument? Command line argument is an information that directly follows the program's name on the command line when it is executed. I repeat it again. Command line argument is an information that directly follows the program's name on the command line when it is executed. The command line arguments can be accessed in the Java program is very easy. They are stored as strings in the string array passed to the main method. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have created the class. Class name is command line EG. Inside this command line EG, I have created the main method. So my file name should be same as this class name. Okay, my file name is command line EG. And inside the main method, I have created three variables A, B and C. All are integer. Okay. And here I have implemented the typecasting because this argument's type is string. Okay. So what argument is this? This is the array argument. Okay. But I need the integer values. Okay. My task is adding two integer numbers. Okay. But this argument data type is string. So I have to convert this string into the integer value. That's why I have used this inbuilt method. Okay. Integer.parseInt is used to convert the 0th index arguments to the integer. Okay. Likewise, this inbuilt method is used to convert the first index value of arguments to integer. Okay. And here addition of A plus B will be stored inside the C variable. That value will be printed on our console. So through command line arguments only, I will give the inputs. So how can I give? Go to the run menu and run configurations. So on the left side we have the file names. So here I choose this file, and on the right side we have so many tabs. Here I choose this arguments. Inside this box there is program arguments. I have to give the values. So first value 13 for A variable. Give single space and then the second value 12. And click on this apply button and click on the run. So this is our output. Okay. So through command line arguments, I give the inputs. Okay. So my first input is 13. That 13 is stored inside the arguments of 0th index. And my second input is 12. So that value is stored inside the arguments of first index. Okay. So these string values is converted to integer, and that integer values is added, that value printed on our console. So we got to 25. Okay. So we can give the inputs through the command line arguments. Okay. So the command line arguments must be the array string variable. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this command line argument. We see one more example. Here command line argument 2 is my class name. Inside this class I have the main method. Here I have implemented the for loop. Okay. So I can give the inputs through the command line. Okay. So what is my task? I want to print all the string inputs on my console. Okay. So how can I execute this one? Go to the run menu, click on the run configurations, and on the left side we choose the file name and click on the arguments tab on the right side, and we have to give the inputs apple space banana space grapes space pineapple. Okay, enough. And then click on the apply and click on the run. We got the output: apple, banana, grapes, and finally pineapple. Okay, so our inputs are stored inside the string array arguments. Okay, so the 0th index holds the apple, first index holds the banana, second index holds the grapes, third index holds the pineapple. Here we have the for loop implementation. For the first iteration, the arguments of 0th value apple is displayed. Okay, and for the second iteration, I value is 1. So arguments of first value, that is banana, is printed here. Third iteration, the I value is 2. So arguments of second index value grapes is printed here. For the fourth iteration, I value is 3. So arguments of third index value pineapple is printed here. Okay, we know arguments dot length returns the length of the arguments. So arguments ARGS is the name of the string array. Okay, so arguments dot length returns 4. Okay, so how many times this loop is iterated? 4 times. Okay, for the first iteration 0 value, second iteration first, third iteration second, and fourth iteration third index values printed. Okay, I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Okay, so we can give the inputs through the command line argument. So what is command line argument? Command line argument is an information that directly follows the program's name on the command line when it is executed. To access the command line arguments in the Java program is quite easy. Okay, and the command line arguments are stored as strings in the string array passed to the main. Okay, I hope you all understood about the command line argument. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.